Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. In this video, we're going to talk about BlackRock and whether BlackRock is getting involved in the crypto sector. So we're going to take a look at a few different articles about who they are, how much money they manage, and kind of what news has been coming out with regards to BlackRock. And for those of you guys that are new, that are just coming to this channel, my channel is about investing, whether it's stocks or whether it's about crypto. Oftentimes what I'll do is I'll do price predictions on coins. So I'll let you guys know, I'll let you guys follow me on my journey. I'll let you guys know when I'm jumping into a trade and when I'm exiting a trade. And more often than not, it'll usually swing back up and it'll touch that spot. So I let you guys know that I am making money. So you guys can follow me on my journey. And periodically, I'll be doing little videos about different types of news related to investing. So let's go ahead and we'll get started. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel over here. There's a little red icon, and then smack that bell that pops up and choose all so that you're notified when I come up with the next video. So who is BlackRock? Well, let's go take a look on Wikipedia and I'll show you. Oh, one more thing I forgot to say. This Sunday, we're having another Thin Man's Wallet giveaway. Here it is right here. We'll do a black one. It's right there. It's got a money clip. It's got the front and the back. All you do is you basically pull it open and you slide your cards in there, your driver's license or your credit card, and then you close it. But since we're dealing with investing, I thought what a great giveaway this would be for one of you lucky winners. So if I can get down below the video right over here, there's a little icon of one of these. If you guys could click that with your finger or with your mouse, if I can get 100 of these, I will give away one of these on this Sunday, okay? So I need 100 likes, and then I'll give away this. I'll have a drawing this Sunday. And if you haven't entered the drawing before, all you have to do is somewhere down in the comments, add the word BlackRock in the comments down below. Say whatever you want to say, but you can add the word BlackRock and I will enter you into that drawing. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so here we are over on Wikipedia, and I've done a search for BlackRock, and it says BlackRock is an American multinational investment management corporation based in New York City. It was founded in 1988, but BlackRock, right here, it says BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager with $10 trillion in assets under management as of January of this year of 2022. They own or have interest in almost any business, major corporation, business, product offering that's out there. They are involved in everything. Okay, so let's go back. All right, so about 5 years ago, Larry Fink, he's the chairman of BlackRock, he actually said that he felt, in his opinion, that Bitcoin was the index of money laundering. So now let's roll the clock up a few more years, and now Russia has gone into Ukraine. And now Larry Fink is saying that he feels that using digital currencies is probably something that they should look into a little bit more seriously, and it should be accelerated. And this new view of his was actually mentioned in a letter to his shareholders just a month ago in March. Now, many people are thinking that BlackRock's going to definitely be going into the crypto space if they haven't already. But I mean, if you're managing $10 trillion, you've got to imagine that they've been in the crypto space for a while now, right? I mean, that's just my personal opinion, but I can't imagine somebody that's managing $10 trillion is now just entering in to the crypto space when so many other corporations and entities are already in the crypto space and have been so for years. Now, BlackRock is hoping to be the primary cash reserves manager for the USD coin known as USDC, not USDT, but USDC. USDC is actually a $50 billion digital asset that's tied to the US dollar. All right, and let me read this to you. As of last week, BlackRock is trying to assume the role as part of a $400 million funding round for a company from Boston known as Circle. And Circle is the main issuer for USDC. Let's take a look at Circle real quick. Okay, so here I am. I'm over at Circle, circle.com. And then if you go to the /investors, and if you scroll down a little bit, you will see the CEO, Jeremy Allaire. Let's take a look at who he is. Jeremy Allaire is responsible for strategy, vision, and operating execution at Circle. He brings in more than 2 decades in experience building and leading global internet software platforms, including founder and CEO of Brightcove, technologist and entrepreneur in residence at General Catalyst, CTO of Macromedia, which any of you web developers out there know who Macromedia is, and the co-founder and CTO of Allaire Corporation. Let's also go take a look and see who Larry Fink is. Here's BlackRock's website. And if you go to the corporate here, you can see the little link here. You can take a look at it. That's Larry Fink right here. And here's the letter that he wrote back in March of 2022 to his shareholders, if you guys want to go take a look at that. All right, so as I mentioned, Circle is the main issuer for USDC, the USDC coin, okay? Any of you guys in crypto have heard of USDC or should have by now. You've heard of USD, you've heard of USDT, and there's also USDC. All right, so this is what we have so far. We have Larry Fink, he's the main guy over at BlackRock. We have Jeremy Allaire, who's the CEO of Circle. And what they're doing is they're coming together, they're putting a funding round together to be able to raise money. And once the money's raised, Circle plans to make it go live via an SPAC deal valued at $9 billion by the end of just this year, 2022. So Jeremy Allaire, who is also the CEO of Circle, recently spoke with Forbes magazine and would not share what amount of reserves in stable coins that BlackRock will be managing. So BlackRock's looking at getting involved in these stable coins, these USDCs, but they are not willing to talk about what share, how much of these USDCs that BlackRock's going to be managing. But one of the things that Jeremy did share was that BlackRock and Circle have been working together for about a year right now behind the scenes. BlackRock has never commented on the partnerships of this partnership, but according to the Q1 earnings call, they are also exploring asset tokenization and permissioned blockchains. Also in June, BlackRock may be looking into hire a blockchain lead. So BlackRock is really propelling themselves. They're lining themselves up with the top key people in USDC coins to be able to, use it to their advantage. The other important thing about this partnership is that BlackRock has never on any of its balance sheets ever had anything related to digital currency until right now. Okay, guys, so let me continue. BlackRock, right here, we're talking about BlackRock. They were previously the asset managers who was credited with having exposure to 7.3% stake in MicroStrategy. Who's MicroStrategy? For those of you guys that don't know, they are the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin with nearly $5 billion worth of cryptocurrency. That is huge. That lets you know that BlackRock is definitely going into crypto big time, and BlackRock has an owner interest in almost any major business in the US and probably internationally. They're a major stakeholder in a lot of these businesses, along with Vanguard. And there's people out there that are talking about that, sharing that online. You guys can take a look at that. I might do a video on it here in the near future also. But let me also share with you guys something else. Where am I at? So BlackRock coming in, trying to put all this together. This deal is a major nod of approval for USDC coin. Now, its capitalization has swollen from 4 billion at the beginning of last year to over 50 billion, okay, today. Now, they're not at the same level of Tether, but they're growing like crazy. And there is some potential issues with Tether people have been talking about. I'll try to do a video on that for you guys also. But here's one more thing I want to leave you guys with. USDC launched by Circle, remember, Jeremy Allaire, and also Coinbase 4 years ago, okay? You guys all know who Coinbase is, right? They're a major exchange online for being able to buy crypto, especially in the United States. So if you guys are into crypto, click on my username at the bottom of this video. You will see this right here. But if you click on the videos tab, you're going to see all sorts of price prediction coins that I've been doing price predictions on. You guys can come in here and watch these. I let you guys follow me on my journey on making money with crypto and with stocks. I just bought in on Netflix today, guys. I think there's good potential there. I think I invested 900 and I have a potential for making 1,700, okay? But go ahead and watch these. Also subscribe to the channel, everybody. And also follow me over here. Follow me over on my Instagram channel. It's called Investing Points with an S. Just go over there, search for me, click follow, and you can come in here and you guys can see all sorts of price predictions. They're shorter videos. They're about a minute long. You guys can come in here and you guys can take a look at these short little price predictions. I would recommend watching one of my YouTube ones first so you understand how I do things. And then when you come over here and you watch the shorter version, you'll quickly be able to understand why I'm choosing the points that I do. Okay, guys? So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. Remember, subscribe to the channel. And if you can, please give this video a thumbs up. It greatly helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.